Next up, crime doesn't pay for Artisan. In this, we need to search the Midnight Sapphire and uncover what happened to Deesabun something or other. What we'll do for this quest is head all the way up to the far north side of the map, Midnight Sapphire, zooming in. This is the building that we need to go to, 165, 168. Once we get inside here, we'll find exactly what happened to him. Let's go. Alright, so pushing our way down here, there's obviously quite a few guards in this area, as they are all around here. But pushing our way in, essentially when you get to this area over here, there'll be a couple of guards around here, usually 2 by the entrance and 3 or 4 inside. Very angry. I died to them here. Anyways, you're coming across to this building over here. So once again, map, zooming in, this building here. What you want to do is enter this door over here, which is second from the right. So open, and inside of here, you'll find the person that we need to press F on, and bam, just like that, you'll have this mission done. Hand it back and you'll get your reward. So thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.